Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like a get ready with me, talk through, review, tutorial on this wig. What's not really a complete get ready with me because my makeup's already done. This is like my Christmas makeup, I guess. I mean, I really don't even have like a whole lot going on. I don't even have eyeshadow. I just threw some lashes on, did my highlight, contour, and that was that. But I have to do my hair, so I thought why not just show you guys how I style it on camera, how I get my little baby hairs for my little family gathering downstairs. Excuse me if you guys hear loud noises downstairs because there is a whole entire party going on downstairs and everyone's like so mad at me because I'm like filming right now, and I know that's like pretty shitty to just be filming during a family event, but y'all know I gotta come on here and show y'all what's good. So if you guys have any questions on this hair, please refer to the description box down below. This hair is bomb for one. So okay, let me tell you the company that it's from. So this hair is from Premium Lace Wigs. I think this is my first time working with them. I don't remember. Okay, listen, this is what we're not about to do. Let me just start, like, I want to like be able to talk and do the tutorial, so that's like the point of this video. But so I need to multitask, even though that's not one of my best you know, whatever. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna start by splitting the hair. So this is what the hair looks like. I literally just installed it yesterday, so I like, when I go to sleep at night, I put my hair in like a bun, and then I like put like a, what do you call it, like a scarf like around the edges, just so that they laid and that the glue doesn't like, I don't know, I feel like if I don't wrap my hair at night, like the glue will come up a lot faster that way. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But yeah, so y'all, this hair is 14 inches of, sorry, 14 inches. It's 24 inches of bombness. Like, the curl pattern is so bomb. So yeah, anyway, sorry guys, I'm just like all over the place. I have a lot going on right now. But, so this is from, I'm gonna start by spinning the hair down. So this wig is from Premium Lace Wigs. I don't remember working with them before, but I possibly could have worked with them before. I honestly don't remember. I think this is our first collab. I want to say that this is our first time collabing together, or maybe it's not. I feel, oh, you know what, I've worked with Premium Lace Wig. This is Premium Lace Wig. So yeah, I've never worked with this company before. What I usually do is just kind of wet the hair. I'm gonna grab my water bottle. But yeah, so like I just installed this wig. You know, you guys, I do not have a mirror. Oh, dang it, I don't have a mirror. So I really hope that this turns out good, because my like camcorder mirror is going to be screen, sorry. My camcorder screen is just gonna be my mirror for right now, I guess. So yeah, so I'm just going to lightly mist the hair. So like I like for my for curly hair to be like I want it to have like some volume. So like I guess like the more you wet the hair, the less volume you're gonna get, but I want this to kind of like be big. So I'm not gonna like drench the hair like completely, but I want it to be wet enough to where I can like comb through it and put my product in. So that's what we're doing right now. It's not super curly, it's kind of like a wavy kind of curl a little bit, and to me that's like my favorite kind of like curl pattern, I guess, for like wigs and stuff. For it to be like this, because I feel like when it's like too curly, I feel like it ends up being like really short, and it's like for me, like for something that's like super like a tight curl, I feel like I'm gonna need that to be like 30 inches or something. And it's like, it's very rare that like companies send me wig lengths that are like longer than like what, 24 inches. So there is like a little bit of shedding, but that's pretty like typical for curly hair. This is like my most favorite thing to style my hair with, style my curly wigs with, is this stuff right here. Like, you guys, this stuff is like crack in a bottle, because it just makes my hair, number one, really shiny, so it looks like really healthy, you know. It looks like I don't know, I guess the shine just makes it look really bomb, like I got it done professionally. And then it also defines the curls as well. So like y'all will see, like you see how like dry it looks right now, but I mean honestly it don't even look that dry, like it looks like whatever, but you'll see the difference. Like for me adding this stuff in, like it really makes all the difference. And I use this to even style my baby hairs as well. So I'm just gonna work it through. It's like a foamy pump, so I'm just gonna like spray some on my hand and just kind of work it through my hair, so it's gonna look like this. And I kind of want the hair to like fall like back, like kind of back and then down. I don't want it to be in my face because that's gonna like annoy me. And it smells bomb, you guys. Like the mousse smells so good. I love the way this stuff smells. You guys, I hope this is looking good right now because I do not have a mirror. I could see, like, you know what I mean, from like my camera screen, but y'all just gonna have to tell me how it's looking, okay? And I love like the thickness of this hair too. Like it's not thin, and you guys already know how much I freaking hate, like I seriously hate thin hair with a passion. Like when companies send me thin hair, it just, I honestly would like send it back. Like I'm not gonna do a review on a hair that I just don't like, you know what I mean? So I'll send that shit back. So right now I'm just gonna like scrunch it up. I'm probably gonna need the mirror for the baby hairs though, like for sure. I'll like grab something really quickly. Do y'all see how bomb this is? So we're gonna now do the other side. Do y'all hear them downstairs being all loud and shit? They're probably drunk by now. I'm so starving, you guys. My aunts are making some enchiladas. Oh, I cannot wait. Enchiladas, rice and beans. Fire! Once this hair is like really dry, I love how big it gets. Like you guys, I be feeling like Shaka Khan. Okay, like it's so pretty. I'm gonna stand up for y'all so y'all can see. Back. Gorgeous. Hey, hey. Okay, I'm gonna grab my mirror and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, how am I gonna do this with one hand? I can make it happen, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take my toothbrush, and then what I usually do is just like spray some on the top. So I'll just grab some and then just start swooping it just like that. So now I'm just gonna take it again, swoop it over, and then oops. Sorry guys, this is hard doing it with one hand. Okay, so we got that swoop. And then for our last swoop, is this right here. I'm gonna have to fix it a little bit off camera. And then I don't really worry too much about this side because it's really not gonna show. Only when I like pull my, like when I just kind of do one of those feather things with my hands, you'll be able to see it. So I really only do this right here. And for the front, oh, cute. All right, you guys, I think I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna like fix this part a little bit off camera. But for the most part, this is what it looks like. What y'all think? Is it cute or not? It's real cute, right? Yeah. Premium Lace Wig, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. I will have more videos coming soon. If you guys, like I said, have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.